What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, ZND Squad.
What up?
And what are we doing today?
We doing a little bit of a room tour.
Yeah, we are doing a room tour. We didn't make over any of the house except for the our room. We made over the room, okay? Because our room was plain. It was plain and childish. Well, it wasn't childish, but it was plain, y'all. And honey, like, I'm about to show y'all this room tour, and it is bomb.
Did a lot. She did a lot.
Yeah, your words did what?
My wife did a lot. All custom.
Yes, you guys. Well, not all customs. A lot of it is custom. A lot of DIYs, do it yourself. You know what I'm saying? On a budget, but really, I wasn't on a budget. Like, I'm not even gonna tell y'all the price or anything. But, well, I'm gonna tell y'all the price of some of the stuff in the room. But they finna hold the camera and we're finna go around the room. We're gonna show you guys, okay?
Let's get it.
So, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you know time to post a video, okay? Let's get started, okay? Okay, so this first piece here is custom by me, okay? These are Dollar Tree frames. These are Dollar Tree, what is it, the little wrap stuff. And then I printed pictures offline and I put, glitter paper around it, diamonds, all that is so freaking cute. And I just glued it on a piece of cardboard and I just put trimming around it, and it's so cute. It looks like you got it out of Ross or somewhere, right? Right. So it's just perfume bottles. I have a Chanel bottle and I have an inspired Chanel bottle. I have a diamond that I printed and then I put little diamonds around it. And then I just have this. I don't know what that is, y'all, but we're gonna keep it moving. Here I just have a string of lights, y'all. This was just here because I didn't want to sleep in a dark room. It's really nothing. I have this gray bin that I got from Dollar General. It was like $8. Yeah, $8. And it's just sitting there because it's cute for decorations, okay? So then we're going to come over here. And I have some cute freaking candle holders. I got these from my mom. I don't know where she got them from. But, I just went and added some dazzle on them, like different pieces of, you know, glittery things. And then the dresser, y'all. The dresser was $20 from the thrift store, but it was like a brown old dresser. And I took it and I remodeled it. And baby, it looks so good. I put trimming around it. I put mirrors here. And I purchased these knobs at Hobby Lobby. They were $4.99 each. So cute. Okay, Davey, yes. Oh, my mirror, it has little prints on it, but I purchased this mirror from, I believe, Hobby Lobby as well. And then I have these different sorts of silver, what are these called? Like decorations, y'all. Somebody comment below what are these called. I forgot. Comment below, let your girl know. And these were like $5 and $6. Some of them were $8. So, you know. And then the picture frame that I have here of me and Davey on our wedding day. Come up some. This is on our wedding day. And then my mom made these and I just added them in. The vase came from Ross. So freaking cute. I mean, not Ross, Roses. It came from Roses, y'all. Sorry. And it was $10, you guys. So cute. And then on the candle holders, I got some silver candles, and I just added the little silver decorations around them. So moving along is the bed. The bed. So comfortable, you guys. I've been at this comforter set, and I don't even remember where I got it from. I believe I got it from Walmart, I believe. I don't know. And then I made this little tassel thing. And then I have this throw blanket that I also got from Rosie's. So freaking cute. I have this big old gray comfortable pillow. This is our main pillow that we sleep on. And it came from where? Walmart? Okay, yeah, David said it came from Walmart. And then our headboard. We've been had this headboard. I just added diamonds, rhinestones. So cute. Looks more expensive. Also, we have this. These are from Ross. And they were $15. The bomb. Like, you cannot find these anywhere. I was looked up on these things. Y'all, like, I've been seeing them everywhere, and then when I want them, I cannot find them. Also, we have these on each side. And these came from my brother-in-law, Davy's brother. We got and his wife. We got them from. I mean, what in the heck am I talking about, y'all? They gave these to us for Christmas, you guys, and I freaking love them in their mirror in style. Love it. Also, this throw blanket here that's at the end of the bed came from Dollar General, and it was I believe it was $15. I don't know, it was $8 or $15, you guys. So over here, I do have this gray rug, which I have a gray rug over there, but the rug's not even important, okay? These are some vases that I made out of tin foil paper. So cute, and I just added styrofoam at the bottom. This is another one of those tassel things, okay? Love it. I believe that was, I think it was $5.99, and then I have a Mrs. over here and the Mrs. over there, and then I have my little stand that I have had for like a few months prior before I redecorate the room, and I just added little glittery diamond stuff around it. Once again, my mom made this, and then I got this picture. It was $2.99 from Burlington, and I figured it'd go good with the decorations. Also, the mirror at the bottom, if they're really candle holders, but I use it as a mirror. It came from Hobby Lobby as well. It was $8, and then this box I have had forever, so I cannot tell you guys where I got it from. But as you can see, it's a cute little setup. And then the freaking gray lamp. I was looked out. I mean, I was in luck when I found this from Walmart, and it was only $8 as well. And then we have my mirror. This mirror, you guys. Y'all seen, I believe you guys seen this mirror on my Instagram. It was a plain brown mirror, and I remodeled this mirror. DIY it, okay? This mirror was $100 from Walmart. I got it a few months ago, I believe so. And I just put glitter stuff around it, okay? And I really, really like it. It's fun size, you know what I'm saying? Do a little twerk. I have this picture. Is an old picture. I've had it for a few years, and it had like different colors and everything. I painted it silver and I added glitter, and it is the bomb, right, babe?
Yes, baby.
The bomb, the bomb. And it did come with this paper on it. It was like a sticky paint thing. I don't know, y'all. And then down here, I have some little chairs that I just put a little throw mat on it for fur, and all the glitters on it. And then I got these pillows with hearts. I added the hearts. So cute, you guys. And yeah, okay, you guys, so that was our fabulous room tour. I hope you guys like it. Let us know what you like below. Okay, did I do a good job? Listen, I did a good job.
Yeah, wonderful.
Okay, so yeah, that was our room tour. Thank you for watching.